Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Is there anything better than sitting outside in an Adirondack chair? I really don't think there is. I just love this one that I got from Wood-Natrl. For one thing, it's made for taller people, and my husband is 6 foot. This fits him really well and is very nicely curved so that he's comfortable as he sits in it. I'm 5'4", and it fits me really well too, so I like the versatility of this. One of the other things about this wooded chair is that it folds. How cool is that? I love that I can just fold it up and move it around as much as I want to, or when it's time to put it into storage, it won't take up as much space. This is a really beautiful blue color. I did assemble this by myself using a power tool. I would definitely recommend having one on hand, especially for the screws. It did take me about an hour, but I am not the most handy when it comes to putting things together, so it may not take you as long. The instructions were really easy to understand and to follow, which I appreciated very much. This is the perfect addition to your outdoor sitting area, would be amazing around a campfire or a fire pit. I can't wait to use it extensively this summer. It is just perfect for our backyard, and that's my point of view.